Hope you will be fine. Today we will study about master boot record, or in short form it is known as MBR. Now we can say that master boot record. Suppose we have a hard disk. Now the first sector of a hard disk is known as master boot. Now we can say that master boot record is the information present in the first sector of any hard disk. Now it contains the information regarding how and where the operating system is located in the hard disk. It can be booted in the RAM, that is random access memory. So in short form we can say that the first sector of any hard disk contain the information about the booting process of the concerned loaded operating system. Now MBR, that is master boot record, is sometime called master partition table. Now because it includes a partition table which locates every partition in the hard disk. So we can say that it is also known as the master partition table, which contain the partition information of a hard disk. Now also includes a program which reads the boot sector record of the partition that contains operating system. Now let us take an example of pictorial representation. With the help of that we can understand the master boot record. Now suppose we have a hard disk. Now Now this is the entire disk. Now suppose we have a sector. This is known as MBR, and this is the first sector. Now in this we also have partitions, and these are known as partition table. Now in this hard disk we also have other partitions, and these are known as, we can say that, disk partition. Now this is the pictorial representation of an entire disk, and the first sector is the master boot record. Now when we start up our computer, as we know that main memory is a volatile memory. The CPU cannot access the memory directly. We have a special program which is known as BIOS, that is stored in read-only memory and is accessed for the first time by the CPU. So that is basic input output. BIOS setup contains the code by executing which the CPU access the very first partition of the hard disk, that is known as MBR. It contains partition table for all the partitions of the hard disk. Now since MBR contain the information about where the operating system is being stored, and it also contain a program which can read the boot sector record for the partition, hence the CPU fetches all the information from this partitions. Hope you have understood this one. Thank you very much.